Hi, I'm Bhagyashri and I welcome you to all to our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Testing, where you will learn in easy simple way. Today our topic is data mapping in database testing. So we'll learn here how to do data mapping, what is data mapping, how to do data mapping testing in database testing. So let's get started. What is data mapping? Data mapping is the process through which you take one set of data known as the source and assign it to or map it to destination known as target. The goal is to make your organization's data more structured, cohesive, and accessible to your team and customers. Data mapping can be done manually or automated process as well. In data mapping, basically we perform CRUD operations. CRUD. C for create the data, R for retrieve the data, U for update the data, and D for delete the data. So basically in database testing as well, we are going to check whether our database is able to do CRUD operations or not. Data mapping widely performs in e-commerce industry. Let's see how it works now. In e-commerce, basically you can do two types of login. First one is storefront login, where your new registrations, new users, or your normal users can log in and they can purchase the product and they can log out. Admin can do some special operations in the e-commerce system. He can view all the users, all the customers, he can use or review their orders. Then he can delete any account if any suspicious activity occurs. So it has some special rights. And third one is database, where your all operations, all the queries, all the data will be saved, whether you are a customer or whether you are an admin. All kinds of data it will be saved in some local or some server that will be your database. So for data mapping testing, you have to consider all these things. Our test cases of data mapping testing. Here we have written CRUD operation test cases. C for create operation, R for retrieve the data operation, update the data and delete the data. So for each and every CRUD operation test case, we have written for three kinds of test cases. First one is your storefront test case, your admin test case, and your database test case. So for create, if we are creating the new registration, we have to create it at the storefront in new user. Then we have to create new record at the admin side, and we have to check all these two records are available or not in the database. So for retrieve the data as well, we have to check at the storefront, we have to check at the admin, and we have to check at the database side as well. So like this we have written all the test cases. So let's see how to execute these test cases one by one. CRUD create operations, create new registration. So what we are doing or what we are trying to check is create new user or new registration at the storefront. We are going to create new registration as a customer at storefront in open cart. Then as in admin side, we are trying to check whether we are able to create new record or not, and in the database where we will check whether all these records will reflect or not. We are using OpenCart database and OpenCart application for our data mapping testing. So I'll show you how to do one by one. So this is our OpenCart application. I have just opened the home page, and now we'll create one new account, new registration for new customers. From here my account, then go to registration, then you will get like this some form and you will register. So I am giving one name, suppose Neema Naman. Email ID is neema@gmail.com. Then your telephone number, suppose I am giving 9890. your account has been created. So here your account has been created from by Nima name. Now continue. So here we have entered into our account. So let's log out, and then we'll go to our admin side. So this is our admin portal of OpenCart, and now I'm going to log in as an admin, and whether I'm going to check whether that Nima is going to present or not, and then we'll try to create one new more record. Login, and this is your admin dashboard, and here from customers you can see all the customers which I have logged in as a customer. So here it is Nima Raman record is available. So from here add new button I am trying to create one more record. So let's see whether we are able to create or not. So let's see. Email is mandatory. This is how we have saved. So our new customer has been created, Varun J, and then this is from admin side. Our admin case is also passed. So this is our MySQL Workbench software, and here we have connected with the OpenCart database, and all the tables are present here, and you can simply download this application from Google. This is open source application, and you can try it for your practice. So this is our OC underscore customer. This is our customer table. Let's see in our customer table all the records are available or not. We'll fire the query. Let's see. Query has been fired. Okay, so see. So see, here Nima and Varun has been created in our database as well. So our first test case CRUD from the CRUD operation create the data is passed. So our create the new registration test case is being passed. Now let's see next operation, retrieve the data. At our storefront we can log in and we can check whether our login credentials are valid and they are present or not. At admin side we have already checked whether all the records are present or not. And in database side as well we can check all the entries are available or not. From admin and database we have already checked. So let's see we can log in or not to our storefront application. This is our OpenCart application, and let's see whether we can log in as our existing user or not. Go to login page, and here we can type Varun's address, Gmail address, Varun's password. Yes, we logged in. Then again we'll try our Nima with Nima credentials, which credentials we have created through our OpenCart page, and admin side credentials we have already checked, those are passed. So Nima, yes, we can log in as Nima as well and as Varun as well. So our retrieve the data test case is passed. Third test case is update the data. So what we can do at our OpenCart, we can edit the details page and we can check whether these details are available at the admin side and at the database or not. Then at the admin side, what we can do, existing users detail we can alter, and we can check whether these are present at the database side or not. And third one, at the database side, we can retrieve all the data and check whether updated information has been retrieved or not. So let's see our third test case for update the operation. So we are at Nima's account now at the open cart, and then here we will go edit your account information, and we can change her name. Let's say only N we will keep, and Gmail ID also possible. Then we can change Nima1. Continue. So you are successfully updated your information. So yes, at the storefront side or at the open cart side, our information is successfully updated. So our test case is passed. Let's see whether at the admin side information get updated or not. So login as an admin, and then go to customers. Go to customers and see the customers. Whether Nima N, yes, here we have updated from Naman to N, and email ID is also got updated here. So successfully updated the record. So now let's try from admin side whether we can update the record or not. So let's see, we'll update the record of Varun. So default, we'll update the Varun's mail ID. From Varun to Varun 1 we have done. Let's see, our mail ID got updated. So from admin side, our update operation test case is passed. Let's run our customer table. Let's see whether it is updated in MySQL Workbench as well or not. So let's fire the query, select star from all the customers. Yes, it did. See, Varun 1 and Nima 1. All the records got updated from your open cart storefront application and open cart admin side application as well. So our update the query test case has been passed. Operation delete the record. In our delete the record operation, you cannot delete your account from as a user. You cannot delete your account. So what we are going to try is at admin side we are going to delete one account, and at storefront user side we are trying to log in with the same credentials which been deleted. So let's see whether it works or not, and at the database side we'll check the record whether the record is deleted or not. So this is our admin portal. We'll log in as admin, and then let's see whether the all records are present or not. First of all, see, all 4 records are present. So we'll try to delete one Varun's record. We'll try to delete, and then we'll log in as a Varun from storefront. Our record got deleted from admin side. So let's see from storefront. First we'll log out, then we'll log in as a Varun site. Varun 1, which has been updated. No match found as a email address and password. So it means our record got deleted successfully from our UI side. So now let's check in our customers database table whether our updated information is we can retrieve or not. So let's see, let's go to our database. So this is our database, customer database. Let's fire again the same query, select star from customer, and Let's see whether we are able to retrieve the updated data or not. Yes, Varun's record has been deleted from our database as well, so our delete query is also being passed. This is how we perform all the 4 CRUD operation test cases on our database and our UI side as well. So this is how we perform our database mapping testing. So this is it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for new such updates. And we'll be sharing our videos every Tuesday and Friday. So keep watching our videos, and if you have any queries, please comment down below and we'll update you soon. So till now, happy testing. Bye bye.